best is yet to be. When our time has come, we will be as one. God bless our love. God bless our love. Grow old along with me, two branches of one tree, face the setting sun. When the day is done, God bless our love. God bless our love. Spending our lives together, man and wife together, world without end, world without end. Grow old along with me, whatever fate decrees, we will see it through, for our love is true. God bless our love. God bless our love. God bless our love. God bless our love. Hey there, folks. Going to be a guitar lesson for Grow Old Along With Me, written by John Lennon, of course, released after John's death. There's so many different demo versions and so many different mixes of this. My favorite is the ultimate mix, but this guitar lesson should kind of get you, on all the different demo versions. I have the guitar in standard tuning. I'm not using a capo. Of course, this is a piano ballad by John. This is my guitar arrangement for John's piano version. So we're going to start with a G chord. The introduction, which the kind of piano, we'll just call it the piano riff. I'm only playing part of it on the guitar, but it's only two chords. It's just basically a G to a D7, back to G. So if you want to add a little bit more to that, like I did on my cover, I'm playing. You got the open B string on the G chord, so you're gonna kind of hit. So you got open B, then the second string, third string, second fret, back open. So I'm just gonna kind of add that. So you got a G chord. You hear that now into a D7th. And then the D7th, I'm just going to add second string, third fret. That's it. And you have the chord already there, but you're basically playing second string, and then add the third, second string, yes, add the third fret, and then on the third string, you're at the 2 already. So something like that, and the D7th, and then you're back to the G. And I do 3 downstrokes. So one last time on this, again, this is played throughout, so it's a G, D7th, just repeat that, back to G, 3 downstrokes. Grow old along with me. So that's a G, I'm playing a D over F sharp, back to G, then the best G, E minor, A minor 7th is what I'm going to play to a D. The A minor 7th, you could add a G bass note if you want. You could even play a C chord if you want, very similar. But I'm going to play an A minor 7th to a D, and then you're back to the G. When a time has come, G, D over F sharp, back to G, and then again G, E minor, A minor 7th to a D. Now God bless our love, C, God, A minor, bless our G, E minor, C, God, D, bless our love. Then you're back to the G riff, the piano riff, as I said, just like the intro. Back to G, 3 downstrokes. Grow old along with me, and then the verse just repeats. Excuse me, have a little itch. Now to the transition into the middle part of the song, the spending our lives together. So you're in a G now. Well, I'll do this. We'll do it after the riff because John does. Then you're just going to hold the G. And I'm going to play a B minor over A. So I'm going to play a full B minor with 4 fingers open, and then I'm going to have the A bass note. But I'm going to emphasize the A bass note there. So again, you're in a G, then the B minor over A, to an E minor. Spending our lives together. Back to B minor. There I'm going to play a full bar chord B minor. E minor. Man and B minor together. C, world without A minor. G sus4, world without N to G. And then you're back into the riff. So one more time on that. So you're in a G. I'm going to play a B minor over A. E minor. Spending our B minor together. E minor. Man and B minor together. C without A minor. G sus4 without G. And then you're back to the piano riff in G. Grow old along with me. And that all repeats, and then we'll just get right to the outro. So it's God bless our love, E minor to C, God, D, our love. Now you're in the G again. Now I'm going to do that B minor over A again. C, God, A minor to G, E minor, C to D. Then I'm just going to do downstrokes. G to a C, 4 downstrokes, to a D. That's only on some of the version. I think with George Martin strings, he kind of ends it that way. So again, just a G, 4 downstrokes, to C, to a D, and we'll end it on the G. So folks, that is my arrangement for Grow Old Along With Me. What a beautiful, magnificent song from John. I know we all wish we had a fully produced, production of John's demo of this by John Lennon, not others who have added to it. I think Ringo recorded the version of this as well. And that's all cool and that's all great, but, of course we wish we had John's. But I think the ultimate mix is probably the best listen of this, at least in my opinion. Thank you folks for watching. I appreciate it. Stay safe, stay happy. I'll see you all soon. Take care.